Yeah, I know.
I'll let them with.
Boy, right some Popeyes, you could have right some Popeyes.
Huh? I'll go in there now.
Yeah.
I'll go in there now, man.
Alright.
Later.
You driving up or you coming?
I'm gonna make up my mind when I reach up and change and shit. You understand?
Alright, so we finally make it to Las Cuevas beach. And I thought we would never reach. But we're here. But God have mercy, my hair is crazy. Ooh, it's so beautiful spot. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Y'all hear the waves? Oh my goodness. Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah. Say hi to the vlog. What you wanna say?
What you seen, man? You share real early.
Too early. Boy, Lord have mercy, we're gonna have the sunset this evening.
But where Casey and them, we just walk?
I don't know, they just walked down, but I'm not sure where they went to. I wouldn't doubt if they passed and gone down that way, you know, because they didn't hear that we have to go the opposite way. This is nice. Oh my God, I'm at Las Cuevas. Could I have 1 hour? Jesus Christ.
Yeah, but just to stay until 7, you know. Because you see if you on that side, it's on restrictions, you know. But we can't
Oh,
stay
on
here
that
hour.
side.
It can take about half an hour to set up, so we could be here for half an hour. Then you know, stay here with us.
You know I get excited when I hear about turtles, right? You know me.
Yeah.
And the nature.
Yeah, them not setting up 10 minutes, maybe we can't go on that.
Tell them about it.
Nah, but I do something, but we setting up on that side now. Yo! Because hear what they say. They say something with some turtles, boy. Because we have music and things, you know.
They say straight down on that side.
Alright, bring the tent on this side, boy. 1 tent all over.
No, 2, boy, because it's a cave down there.
Yeah.
We have food and things too.
Come on, you come and see where 1 month and finalize.
No, well, you got to. I've been here in years, you know, so.
Oh, it's have an next cave down there?
That shelter thing?
Yeah. But you come up at that cave on this side, right?
Oh shit, no. Take off.
On this side of the kitchen, it's not walk right there, that's something.
So we are here on Las Cuevas beach. I have not been here in like so many years. So it's good to be here. We're actually here for a birthday line. So it's a couple of us came up on a bus. It was the slowest bus on earth, but you know what? We are here.
Huh?
We are definitely here.
Yeah, we bad. I'm not going to movies.
No guns. I can't believe I'm on the beach. Oh my goodness. Today is such a rainy day. See the clouds? Oh my God, it's so gray and dull and, you know, gloomy, but we're going to make the best of it. We have to celebrate a birthday, and celebrating life is a good thing. So let me show you guys what the water look like. Nothing much to see, to be quite honest, because it's so, you know, and I feel like it's us alone on the beach. We literally have 1, 2, 3 persons in the water. What is this? Ah! Fuck! Shit biting me. Alright, so this is the view here. We have some boats down on that side. Literally no one on the freaking beach but us. Ah my God, I'm getting bites! And the guys over there, they're trying to figure out how to set up this tent, and let's plug in some music and eat some good food. Hi, sweetie pie. Hello. Hi, baby. Hi. Hello. Oh, this is sweet. What's your name, Princess? Or Pablo? Princess or Pablo? Where you going? Hello. Hello.
Doctor, you there? Doctor, cookie.
She ain't go play here. She go rejoin me from you. No, but you gotta stop. La vai, you gotta stop center because we ain't from there.
To me. Guys, on. Go ahead.
Stop center now.
Everybody touch the shoulders. Knees. Head. Shoulders. Knees. Head. Shoulders. Knees. Toes. 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 Knees. Head. Shoulders. Knees. Toes. Head. Head. Shoulders. Toes. Knees. Knees. Toes. Head. 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 Knees. Shoulders. Toes. Grab.
And you talk about center gravity?
Yeah, by day, I like competition.